What's up, guys? In this video you're gonna be seeing me doing DIY lip glosses. So what you are not seeing is me putting on my gloves, and what you didn't see before is that I made sure my area is sanitized. All my items like my squeeze tubes and my sample containers are washed properly and dried properly, so that way there's no mold. Then I'm gonna be using my ABA Cosmetic was it lip gloss base, and I pour it into the cup. As you can see, I pour it into the bowl. What am I saying? I pour it into the bowl, as you can see. Right now, I'm just going to be pouring my pigment for some color, and you could get this off of Amazon. I forgot the name of this color, but I think I showed it in a clip, or I'll just link it down below. But on Amazon, it has like a pack and has 50 different colors on it. I think this one is Blossom, Rose Blossom or something like that. But yeah. Right now, I'm just taking my spoon and putting about maybe 10, I'm not too sure because I didn't really count, but about 10 scoops of fractionated coconut oil for moisture and to make sure that the consistency of the liquid base, lip gloss base is the way I like it and could go into the containers very well and not look all separated. After I do the coconut oil, I take maybe two to four vitamin E capsules, and I just poke a hole or cut it, and then I drain it into the bowl. The vitamin E oil is good for moisture on your lips and is very, very, very healthy on the body as well. If y'all could hear my dog in the background, I sincerely apologize because he's just barking up a storm. At this point in the video, this is where we start mixing our oils, vitamins, and the liquid lip gloss base and the pigments to make sure the consistency is to perfection of your choice, obviously. So at this point, you're going to see if you're going to need to add more oil or if you're going to need to add more lip gloss base as you're mixing it. Now towards the end of the video, as you can see, I have my lip gloss containers all ready. I stupidly didn't record the part of me filling up the lip gloss tubes and the containers, but this is the end result. If you want me to show you guys how I squeeze them in, let me know and I'll show you in a separate video, but this is my mistake, but this is the end result. Thank you.